All right, howdy folks, howdy. These are what you call old factory floor rims. You still see some of the nail holes from the old factory floor. This is a hard maple from a building that was torn down in 1870. And this is one of the products I make for the Sullivan Banjo Company in Alabama. And then they turn these into beautiful old factory floor rims. Probably the best sounding rims ever in the bluegrass industry. Old growth, beautiful maple, dried for what, 100 years, over 100 years now since it was out of that building. Probably 300-year-old wood. Wow, pretty awesome, man. Man, call Eric Sullivan at First Quality. Sullivan Banjo Company in Alabama. See if you can get one of these powerful rings in your banjo. All right, back to work.